Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with some current favorites. These are products that I've been using for quite a few weeks now and I really like them. Some I have been using a little bit longer than the others, but overall these are products that I've really been enjoying and I'm super excited because it's been a while, I feel like, since I've kind of changed up the products that I've been using, but I've been kind of experimenting and playing around with different things and I'm excited to have a brand new batch of stuff to share with you guys. So the first thing that I have to share with you is this Game of Thrones and Urban Decay eyeshadow palette. I have a whole video using this. I will have more videos using this to come, but this is what it looks like as far as the palette and the shades if you're not familiar with it. We've got different quints, so there's 4 different quints. This one right here is called the North, I want to say. This one is House Stark, House Lannister, and House Targaryen. And it's just a bunch of different really beautiful shades. I've been loving especially this one right here, Nymeria, this kind of brown shade, as well as this one, House Lannister. Those are my 2 favorite shades so far, but I do have more looks coming using this. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. Next up, a night cream or an eye cream that I've been using. It's for use at night. So it's a Retinol Fusion PM eye cream and this is from Peter Thomas Roth. And I picked this up at the last Sephora sale. I had tried this out. I had tried a sample of it a few months ago and I really liked it. But it's kind of pricey, so I knew that I wanted to wait until there was a sale to pick it up. So I'm very happy to have this. I feel like it instantly kind of starts to make any wrinkles or fine lines under your eyes disappear. And I am loving that because I was noticing I was starting to get a little bit more fine lines like right under my eyes, and so now that I have this, it's kind of combating that. So I really recommend this eye cream. It is amazing. Next up, I have a mascara. This is from the drugstore. It's from Maybelline and it's the Last Sensational Luscious Full Fan Effect Waterproof Mascara. I have been loving this. The brush is really interesting. It's kind of cone shaped, if you can see that. And it just really grabs and coats and lifts the lashes and makes them so pretty. Like it fans them out and lifts them up all at the same time. Like you technically wouldn't need to use like a lash curler with this because of how much lifting it provides. But I do really like this. I am almost done with the Collab Beauty Works mascara, which I've been absolutely loving. And I pulled this one out of my collection and it is amazing. I don't know why I didn't use it before. I don't think I've really even seen anyone talking about it, but it is probably one of the best drugstore mascaras I've ever used. Next up, I have from Tarte. This is their Base Tape Hydrating Primer. I've been using this pretty much every day. I got this in an Ipsy bag a few months back and I really like it. It's a nice smooth formula. It has a slight coconut scent to it, but it glides on and it just helps the makeup to look really pretty on top of it. So it's a really nice primer, very light, very refreshing feeling and also hydrating. I received this foundation stick from HOURGLASS in an influencer box. I will have that video of me unboxing it linked down below as well. At first, I did not like this because when I applied it, it kind of slid off my face. You know, like in the summer when your face gets hot and your makeup kind of starts to melt off. That's kind of what this did, but I started using it with this Tarte primer as well as a Tarte Maracuja concealer, a really thick one, and I think the mattifyingness of that is really helping this to stay in place, and then topping it with my Rimmel powder. So I'm actually really liking this. I think the finish is absolutely gorgeous. I do sometimes get it to like break up around my mouth area, but I'm trying to find different ways to combat that. But on the cheeks, it looks so pretty. So I am really liking this and I'm excited to use it some more. I don't know how well it's gonna actually hold up here in Southern California in like July and August. It's supposed to be about 91 today alone. And I'm not wearing this, I'm wearing a different foundation today. But I do really like it, but it might just be more of a cooler weather type of foundation. Next up, I have from Pixi. This is the Endless Shade Stick in Pink Quartz, and I am wearing this on my lids today. I have been wearing this so often. I don't know why I did my hand like that. That was weird. But this is what it looks like. It's just a really pretty kind of pinky gold champagne color, and I really like it. It's really neutral on the eyelids, which, you know, I love my neutral looks, but it stays in place, and my eyes are super watery, and when they water, it waters in the inner corner and then the outer corner, and when it waters in the inner corner, it comes up onto the top of my lid, and it gets, I don't know, like splotchy looking up there, I guess. And this combats that. It's not letting it get all splotchy looking, maybe because it's more of a tacky base than just like a powder shadow, but I do really, really like this. Staying on that Pixie train, I have a lip gloss from them, or a Lip Lift Max. It's essentially a lip gloss, but it is in Sweet Nectar, which is this really pretty kind of cantaloupe melon shade. I am wearing this today also, and it's super pretty. It's just kind of a sheer melon shade right there, and it's got a slight plumping effect, so it's a little tingly, a little minty, but it feels really nice, and I think the color is gorgeous. Also from Pixie, I have this Body Treats Rose Body Polish, and it's kind of leaking, or it's wet on the side. I just pulled it out of my shower. But it's just a really nice body exfoliator. It smells really nice. I was worried that it was going to be super floral because it says rose body polish, but it is actually, I feel like, more fruit scented or citrus scented than rose. It does have like orange oil, lime oil, lemon oil, grapefruit, mandarin orange, just a bunch of different fruits in it, and I feel like that is what makes it smell so good, because I'm really sensitive to floral scents. But this is amazing. I've been loving using it, and I would definitely look into purchasing it because I love it that much. So I've got 3 things left. The next thing I have is from Yensa, which I believe is related to Purlisse. They're like a sister company owned by the same owner. And this is the Yensa Color and Face Skin on Skin BC Foundation, BB plus CC plus Full Coverage Foundation, and it has SPF 40. This is what I'm wearing on my face as my foundation today. I am really, really loving this. It's slightly too deep for my skin tone. I know you guys are gonna think that's crazy, but it is slightly too deep, but I do like that it has a kind of more gray tone to it. It's very neutral than like too pinky or too yellow. So I do like the undertone to it. I just feel like it's a little too deep for my skin tone personally. I would love like an even lighter shade, but I do really like the coverage of it. I think that it is absolutely beautiful. And then going on to Purlisse, I have 2 things from them. The first is the Watermelon Energizing 2-Minute Polishing Peel, and you just use this as like a wash and exfoliator for your face for like 2 minutes, and then you rinse it off, and it feels really, really nice. Your skin feels super soft. It smells incredible, like watermelon. And then to go along with that, after I use it and I tone my face, I use the Watermelon Energizing Aqua Bomb, just to kind of add some more hydration back into my face, because I did, you know, just exfoliate it and everything. So I've been loving these 2 things. And then I know in my Ipsy bag this month I'm supposed to be getting their new product, which is like a watermelon marshmallow peel off mask. So I'm excited to kind of have a full little collection and test that out, because that product looks really, really nice. So these are a bunch of things that I've been loving lately. Hopefully that you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and share with me down below the things that you've been loving, and if you have any questions or comments about the products that I have, go ahead and share them with me, and I will talk to you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.
If a picture's worth 1,000 words, I'll paint an invitation to let you in.